Hey, hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm gonna share with you 6 ways to make passive income online. Is this the very first time you're in my channel? Welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I'm usually talking about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I told you before, in this video I'm going to share with you 6 ways to make passive income online. Please stay or watch the entire video because the last way it's my favorite way, and it's the one that is helping me to make real money online. As you guys know, there are several ways to make money online. Okay, there are several ways to make money online, but I'm just gonna share with you 6 ways to make passive income. So that means that you can put the work now and you can keep making money online even if you sleep, if you're traveling, if you're on vacation, if you're enjoying life. So the first way is by starting a blog. You decide to go ahead and blogging. Okay, if you're a person who enjoys writing, you can do so. Okay, you can choose a niche, pick a niche. Okay, this is really important that you can pick a niche, and you are going to start creating what it's called evergreen content. Okay, a blog, it's way different than a magazine, because a magazine and a newspaper, you are writing about update content, and no one's want to know to read about or to read a newspaper from last week, last month, or last year, unless there is something like super important. So you're gonna be creating evergreen content, sharing your knowledge, teaching something, creating an article that people are gonna be looking for over time. You can monetize your blog with Google AdSense. Something really important is that you are not going to become millionaire just with Google AdSense, but it's a good way to get started and to make your first dollar online. Google AdSense, it's the the publisher platforms that Google has, so they're gonna put ads related to the content that is on your blog. Okay, so the ads are going to be related to the content that is in your blog. If someone click it, you're going to make $1, a cent, depending on the niche. Okay, again, you're not going to get rich with that, but it's the good way to make your first dollar online, to see that it is actually possible. You can also promote affiliate products. Depending on what you're writing about, you can suggest people to buy certain products or check out certain products. Depending on the article, depending on the niche, you can have one or more options. Also, when your blog becomes really popular, you can start adding a sponsored ads or sponsor posts. Okay, so that means that other companies or other blogs are gonna ask you to put like an article that is going to be related to what they have to offer. Okay, back on the days when I was blogging, I was relying 100% of just on Google. But now, hey, there are tons of social networks, so you can derive traffic from social media. The second way, it's by selling ebook. Okay, if that's always like your dream, you can start writing your own ebook, or chances are that you already have it in Microsoft Word, but maybe you never knew how to sell it out. Okay, if you have a well-established blog, you can sell it on your blog, or also you can go to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. If you're interested about creating your own website or creating your own blog, you can check out an all-in-one marketing solution that it's called Builderall. By the way, I'm gonna leave a link below so you can check it out. You're gonna have a 7-day free trial. The other thing, as I told you, it's Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. You do not need to have any kind of experience, or you don't have to be like, oh my god, I have zero knowledge of how to market my book, right? So you upload it, it's 100% free, right? Whenever you make a sale, you are gonna get paid 70% of the sale, and they're gonna take 30%. So if you want to, get started in a really simple way, go with Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Also, you can create video courses. Okay, you can create video courses, and really important is that the course needs to solve a problem. Okay, if you really want to make money with this, you need to understand that the course that you're going to be creating, it needs to solve a problem. I do have video courses myself, so my suggestion is, if you're just getting started and you want to, give it a try, you don't want to create your own platform right now, you can go with Udemy or you can go with Skillshare. Okay, again, you're not gonna be a millionaire. These courses here are sell like pretty cheap, so you can be making $3, $9. The max out right now is like $9 per sale, but it's a good way to get started. It's a good way to see if the market is really interested, and also if you do not have any kind of experience with online marketing, digital marketing, it's a good way to get started. Again, you record a video once, it doesn't need to be something super perfect like a Hollywood production or something like that. Okay, but again, it needs to solve a problem. Once you have some experience, you can host your own courses. With that said, again, you will need to learn about digital marketing, how to do email follow-ups, drive traffic, create landing pages, etc. So, but you're gonna be making way more money and you're gonna have control of everything. So that means that you can set up a membership site if you want, and you can create even more passive income. Again, if you're looking for a platform in which you can actually do this, build your own, you can go ahead with it. You can create a review website. You might be wondering, like, Diana, a review website? What, I will be reviewing products? Well, it's a simple way, and with this, you're gonna always get warm traffic. Why? Because the only way people can land in your website is because they are looking for something. Okay, and they want to have honest opinions, they want to have an inside look. Sometimes they need a little bit more information that might not be on the sales page, and if they land on your website, you are gonna get the sale. So these review websites are gonna be niche related. If you really want to make good money, they need to be niche related. Why? Because you can you can sell more products. All the links that are going to be here are going to be affiliate marketing links. There is always need to have a call to action, like, and my suggestion is, like, if you have a review website, try to add bonuses to your offer. People love bonuses and you're going to get more sales. The fifth way is by selling stock photographies. Okay, nowadays we all have cell phones, we all have good cameras, so if this is your passion, you can go to websites like Shutterstock, upload your photographs, and whenever someone make a sale, you are gonna you're gonna receive the money. Okay, also you can create your own portfolio, right? If this is something that you're really interested and you want to be serious about it, you can create your own portfolio. The sixth way, which is my favorite way, and this is how I'm actually making serious money online, it's by selling high ticket affiliate marketing products. By the way, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, as I showed you, it's going to be with passive income. I'm going to leave the link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. Okay, high ticket affiliate marketing products, it's similar to normal affiliate marketing. Okay, but you are not going to be making low ticket commissions. What is the normal affiliate marketing? I'm sure by now you already hear about clickbank, right? And you know that you can make money on clickbank, but maybe you're going to be earning $9, $15 per sale. So you need to drive tons of traffic if you really want to make good money online. I mean, money that's going to change your life forever. I mean, money so you can actually be a full-time affiliate marketer, because with high ticket affiliate marketing you can make $1,000 or more just with one sale. Okay, again, you can make full-time income, a life changer income, and you do not need to have that many sales. Okay, you're gonna be doing less promotion, you're gonna be doing less work, and you're gonna be getting paid bigger money, more commissions with the same amount of work that you're currently doing. Okay, so these are the 6 ways in which you can make passive income online. If you want to partner with me in my #1 recommendation of how to make money online, remember that it's going to be the very first link in the description. If you have some questions, some comments, leave it in the comment area and I'd be more than happy to answer them. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. That's going to help me, it's going to help my video, it's going to help my channel. This is it for this video. I see you on the next video.